Most English learners say triː, but native speakers say thriː. If you want to sound natural, you need to fix it. Today, I will teach you the TH sound in English. After this video, you will pronounce TH correctly. In English, TH has two sounds. The first one is quiet th, like think, thank, thriː. The second sound uses your voice, like this, that, they. Look at my mouth. Put your tongue between your teeth, like this. Your tongue must come out a little. If your tongue is inside, it is wrong. Put your tongue between your teeth and blow air. Put your hand in front of your mouth. Say thank. You should feel the air. Now repeat after me. Think, thank, thriː, Thursday, thin. Put your tongue between your teeth and use your voice and say this. Put your hand on your throat and say this. You should feel vibration here. Now repeat after me. This, that, they, there, that. Go to a mirror, look at your mouth and try to say thank, this. Your tongue must be visible. Now listen carefully. Triː, thriː, tank, thank, sink, think, day, they, there, there, then. Can you hear the differences? I am 3 years old. I think it is good. This is my phone. They are my friends. Now tell me which one is correct. Triː, thriː, they, sink, think. Most learners say triː instead of thriː. Don't be one of them. Listen to this word. Thumb, thumb, not thumb, thumb. Now it's your turn. Type this word in the comments. If you said it correctly, write it.